Hey guys, we're back. Peanut XXL here, and I'll get Homestead, my grandma. And today we're making cornbread. This is my first time, and my grandma wants to help me make it. But she makes the best cornbread in the world. Like it's so good, guys. You need to try it. Okay, so now what we do is we add. What is this again? I forgot.
Self-rising cornmeal.
Okay, self-rising cornmeal. Pour it in there. And then we add this self-rising flour. And we add some...
No, we're going to stir it up.
Oh, okay, we stir it first. With a spoon. How much do you want me to stir it?
Look at it. You have to look at your food.
Is that good?
Yep.
Okay. Now we add the egg. Okay. And now I use the spatula. Spoon. Okay, and then we...
No.
Okay, and then we add this buttermilk.
And stir it as you're putting it in with the spoon.
Whoops.
A little bit faster. No, the cornmeal, the buttermilk.
Oh. Here we go.
Are you turning your...
Oh.
Well, that's not going to be enough, is it?
Nope.
I can see that. Here you go.
Okay.
A little more. Maybe you better use it all. There you go.
Okay.
For the purpose of the video, I never measure, but I tried to measure. We had 2 cups of cornmeal and a slightly less than 1 cup of self-rising flour, 1 egg. Some people like 2. I never use 2, but are you scraping the sides?
This is going to be the best cornbread.
And turn the bowl and scrape the sides. The less you stir it, the better.
Okay.
Don't stir it so fast.
Okay.
Okay? Make sure you get the sides clean. So, once it's all moistened, hang on now, you're stirring too much.
Okay.
You want to lift it from the bottom and see if it's all moistened.
Does it look all moistened?
Yeah.
Okay.
And you got it all from the sides.
Mm-hmm.
Turn your bowl. Okay. That was a little bit more mixing than I do, but that's okay.
I'm learning.
Yeah. Okay, now
I'm going to put it in.
that looks good. Can you all see the consistency?
It's a little thick. It looks like gravy a little bit.
Yeah. That doesn't look right, but I think it has too much flour. I would suggest
What will we do?
3/4 cup of flour.
Okay.
I'm winging this, guys. I've never measured in my life. But for the sake of the video, we'll see. Okay. It will still be excellent.
This is going to be hard. I'm going to put it in here.
You want to grasp it with one hand and then pour it with the other. One-handed, and use the spatula with the other.
Okay.
Hold it way over the pan.
Like that.
Yeah, but hold it. You have to
Looks good.
way over the pan so that it goes in the middle. No, down, down. Okay. Okay, stop a minute. I think we made too much for that pan. A little bit more. Because you know it will rise, right?
Yeah.
Okay, a little bit more. We will not waste it. We'll put it in another container.
Is that good?
Yeah. Just set it down. Now, remember what I told you to do?
No.
No. Take your spatula, even out your pan, your cornbread mixture in your pan. Real easy. You don't want it to touch the sides. Don't let it touch the sides.
Okay.
Do it from the center out.
Oh, center out.
And you keep going that way. You better go the other way. See how it's lumpy on the other side?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. You want it to be perfectly even.
Am I doing good?
Yeah, but you know what? Get your spoon. Take some out of the center. That's going to overflow. I told you. I just don't have this measuring thing down pat. Okay, now straighten it again. From the outside in. Okay. Now, do you see where it's real high there?
Over here?
Yeah. Bring that in, towards center. Okay, that's looking good. Okay. I normally do it in 2 swipes, but you're learning. Okay?
Okay.
Now, we shall put that in the oven. We have a preheated oven at 400, but we're using we're using electric oven at 400.
Okay.
And probably for 35-40 minutes. We'll let you know.
Okay. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, we're back with the cornbread. Grandma's got it coming in.
It looks wonderful, guys. Now,
How are we gonna get it up?
oh, look at there. Oh my gosh. It looks perfect. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Awesome.
Let's hope it tastes like good like yours.
It will. Goes to show you.
Yeah.
You can't make bad cornbread. You see how easy?
I mean, I'm sure you can make bad cornbread.
No,
It's possible
I don't think so.
if you burn it.
Here's what we did with the extra. We made hush puppies. Okay, we put them around the outer edges
Like a frosting kind.
with my little hush puppy maker.
That's cool.
Now, I like to let it set, but I'm not going to. Today, I like to let it cool down just a little bit, but I think Peanut wants to taste it. Oh, it cuts. Perfect. Oh my goodness, Peanut. And I can't believe it. Look at there. Look. It came out perfect.
Yep.
Oh my. Very good, Peanut. I'm quite impressed. And we have our little hush puppies.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You ready to try it?
Yep.
Now, it's going to be hot.
Maybe I should use a fork.
So just take the small piece. It's going to be hot and blow on it.
It's good. It's
All
really
right.
good. Hot.
Guys, it's excellent.
Other than the fact that it being hot, it's really good.
You know what? I might have to pass my crown to Peanut.
Yay. Now I can make it at home.
Yeah. This is excellent, guys. You see how it cut? Tastes great.
Yep.
Awesome. Awesome job.
Alright.
Elegant Homestead.
Peanut XXL. in my first cornbread making video, or cornbread making ever. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.
There you have it.
Bye.
God bless each and every one of you, richly and abundantly.